Check. Is this thing on? Here you go.
Thank you. No problem. All right. I was thinking of some cool like Twilight Zone thing I could say. We didn't do that, did we? That whole exercise. No external display is attached. C. I'm on C. Like my first initial. Hey! Duplicate. I like to duplicate. Let's do it. Alright. And okay. Here we go. Kind of bleeding on the edge there. See if I can move it over. Alright, I hope everyone can see that it doesn't mind it bleeding on the edge there. I don't know why it's doing that. Resolution thing here or something. Alright, anyway, let me refresh and see if it has a better time. Alright, we'll live. Okay, thank you. Hi everybody. Everybody enjoying the conference so far? Yeah, it's really good. So much awesome stuff here. This is my third FITC here in Toronto in 4 years, and my fourth overall. I did a FITC in Hollywood back in 2006, and I'm doing FITC Chicago in June 22nd, 23rd. So this is one of my favorite conferences to come to, and I've been to a lot lately. This one is definitely the most intense in terms of creativity and excitement. And this year I decided I wanted to do something a little different and explore some really cool creative stuff that I think a lot of us somewhat know of and have dabbled in a little bit, but really haven't exploited to the fullest extent, which is the microphone in Flash. So a few months ago, myself and Brendan Lee, who are both here from Rivet, deployed a site called getmicrophone.com. Getmicrophone is the method inside Flash that allows you to access the laptop or desktop or device's microphone that Flash player is running on. And there's limited things you can do with it right now, but there are some cool things that I've been able to pull together working with some other folks who've been very generous with their time, who have been able to pull some really cool potential and interactivity out of the microphone. And I'm hoping that our discussions will excite you and inspire you to do some cool stuff. And there's actually a little bit of a campaign we're doing with Adobe as well on this. So I put my slides up at getmicrophone.com, but they're not really slides, it's actually a blog page. So they'll be there for the foreseeable future. And I use name tags to jump up in the page, good old HTML. So my name's Chuck Freedman. I'm the Director of Developer Platform or Director of Developer Evangelism and Outreach. We're sort of discussing that right now, but it's still pretty cool. I'm proud to be either one for you today. My blog is chuckstar.com/blog. And you can follow me on Twitter at chuckstar. And so I've been doing Flash for about 11 years now, going way back to, I think, like the summer of '98 when I actually did this animated chicken thing, which I still have online, believe it or not. It's pretty cool. And Flex for a full 5 years, mostly good, some bad, as anybody who's done Flex for that long a time would know. I worked for a lot of companies, actually. Fidelity, Explain, this e-learning company out of Boston, eBay, Yahoo, where I did maps, and Rivet, which is where I am now and have been for about 2 years, actually. So the latter two gave me this opportunity to really love and cultivate working with APIs in platforms. Obviously, Flash, we know, has some great APIs that allow you to do all sorts of things programmatically to complement what you do in the design space. With Yahoo, I worked on Yahoo Maps, which used to be a Flex application. And it was really cool to sort of package that up. And actually, I came to FITC for the first time because I was working on that project and wanted to share that with other developers and designers. And with Rivet, we actually did something really special when I joined the company about 2 years ago. This is a platform that actually allows you to tap into the microphone and hook it up to a dial tone that Rivet provides in Flash Player. without the user having to download anything other than having Flash, and basically allows you to call anybody or send a SMS message to any mobile number. So I really love working with APIs, and I love sharing technology and working with developers and all sorts of folks. So I really thought of some cool like Twilight Zone thing. I wanted to do some prelude, but I was just thinking like the journey of sight and sound. But you know, we all know the sights of Flash, so I wanted to really focus on the sounds.